welcome back to Plans on Planning. We are here in my social planner, and as you can see, we have a fresh and wonderful month to fill out and to get going. So let's get started. Enough talking, enough chatting. Let's just get with it. So slide that over to the side. I have this wonderful, wonderful canvas to start with. And of course, when you do something, you have to have some lovely washi to go along with it. And what better than this? Look at these beautiful, beautiful colors. So come on, let's dive right into it. I want to get rid of, that one doesn't work, this month of, and nothing against the actual month, but we got some washi to get with. As you can see, my washi goes right above it, so I won't have any problems at all when it comes to getting everything set to go. I'm just going to use just under the corner, and I'm gonna, because I want to go right above the letters, and I'm actually gonna leave it kind of loose because I don't want it to bubble. So I'm gonna do like this and go backwards just a tad. There we go. I'm just gonna cut it, and I'm gonna match it up to the other side so everything flows. There we go. Oops. It did get a little funky. Gracious. Just when you think you got it. Alright. So I'm just going to keep it kind of loose. Go across. There we go. Knock out any of the little bubbles that may be there. And tear it. Alright. So we got that going. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to write in my months this month. I know last month I used stickers, but I want to go back to writing. So I'm actually going to write them in black though, because I want it to pop against the washi that we're using for framing out the weeks. So this month of April started on a Sunday. So we're just going to go $29 and $30. Alrighty, and let's go ahead and frame out our weeks with my handy dandy washi. And of course, it always eludes me to be able to find the start, but I got it. Alrighty, let's get that going, and I'm going to go right on the top, right under our days of the week, and then go from there. Oh my gosh, I'm already in love with this. And I'm actually going right above the top of the day of the numbers. I just love, love, love And then for the bottom, what I'm going to do is go right across the bottom area, just in the middle of it, so it kind of looks like it fills up the whole area because it has stripes. But I'm not going to go all the way to the edge. And then I'm going to go right up the side, framing it alongside of the numbers. And I'm just taking it little by little to make sure not only that I stay in a line, but that it doesn't get any bubbles. And then we're off. That's a nice start. We're off to the next side. Alrighty. I'm going right under the days of the week. Ah. Going right above the actual numbers. Oh gosh, slipped right out from under my finger. Turn it. Alright. Going right across. Oops. I'm just gonna hold it, go right across. Here we go. And definitely, last but not least, we're gonna go right across the bottom. And then bring it up the side. Like I said, I'm just going right under the line just to fill out that whole area. And then I'm gonna go up the side. Bam. Alright, and I'm matching it right with where I left off. Going right down the side and meeting it right at the bottom. Haha. There we go. So this is how we are starting off the month of April. I totally love it. I have some stickers that I want to put in, of course. Let's do our holiday sticker for Easter. I have my Happy Planner memory book. Ooh. Okay, we have Easter Sunday here in gold foil. Never mad at a gold foil. I'm going to go ahead and put Easter right in here. I'm going to add, ooh, a pretty cross. Let's add this one. It has a little flair to it. Says, there we go. Secure it on there. Now let's add some stickers. I have a Sweet Memories. So I'm using my Happy Planner Memory Keeper florals for this. Well, not just totally, but to start off, of course. I have this Sweet Memories sticker that I totally fell in love with and wanted to put it down. I promise it keeps on slipping out of my hand. Alright, Sweet Memories that I wanted to put right here. And of course, we're going to add some other little things. I found this Love It sticker that I just had to add. Ooh, right down to the bottom. Here we go. There we go. I just think are super cute. Like a little polka dot flare. Then I'm like, oh my gosh, I love them. I have to have them. So I'm gonna add that to this as well. There you go. See, it's super cute when you love it. All right, I had to get a little air bubble out there. I like this little good stuff sticker. And right now, just like get on it, girly. Now I have this huge yeah sticker that I want to put on somewhere. Don't necessarily want it to take up too much space, but truthfully, it's going to regardless. So I think I'm gonna put it here. Yeah, I think that works for me. I think it totally works for me. I think I want to add a couple of flowers. I'm feeling real springy. Spring has definitely sprung in my book. So I want to get some of that going. Feeling some of that love, some of that energy of a new season. Just a little bit of the flair that it has to offer. I'm looking to see if I can find a weekend sticker, to be honest, because you know how much I love my weekend stickers. Let me see. Alright, nothing in this book. Not to say that there's something wrong with that book, but if you don't have a weekend sticker, exactly. Alright. I mean, there's nothing wrong with creating your own. Alright, I have these cute little ones that say weekend. There we go. And I'm gonna add this one as well. Weekend. Alright, and now we're just gonna add a bunch of loveliness to the rest of our pages. And that, I'm looking for some great inspo. Let me get my quotes book out. I have my 365 quotes book, and I'm looking for some amazing inspo. Yeah. I mean, those sound fabulous, but I'm looking for some foil stickers, to be honest. Be an encourager. I like that. If I can get it out without breaking it. Alrighty. This is be an encourager. That's wonderful. I need something little. Not tiny, but little. Something for the bottom. How about this? Kindness changes everything. And I'm going to put that focused in this area. Here we go. I love it. Alrighty. Oh my gosh. It looks so awesome. I think we're off to a pretty amazing start here for the month of April. Actually, let me see if I can find a really cool April to put at the top. Little numbers. Alrighty. This April is small. Let's do it anyway. Yeah, you can barely see it. No, that's not gonna work. We'll figure it out. I mean, granted, I know it's April. I have the dividers, so I'm not sweating it. To be honest. All right. So here we are with our monthly spread for the month of April. We're off to a pretty awesome start. I've given myself enough space to be able to still write things in, which I'm super happy about. And I have some great inspo going to let me know that don't remember to kill it. Don't remember to get things done, and don't remember to be completely and totally awesome. I thank you guys so much for joining me on Plans on Planning. And I can't wait to talk to you again as we plan out another week. But if there comes a time when you need me before then, definitely feel free to drop me a line. You can leave a comment right under this video, or you can reach out to me by email, by social media, slide in my DMs, whichever you like, whatever floats your boat. I can't wait to hear back from you. See you next time.